class. I just wanted to give you a sort of heads up and a reminder about the metamorphosis paper. So the goal of this paper is to take something seemingly unrelated and bring it into, synthesize it with the story Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. So when when Gregor Samsa first complains about physical abnormalities, obviously he's not a cockroach or a giant beetle. He thinks of himself as less than human, as abnormal, as sick, and therefore whatever disease you've chosen to give him, there's going to be physical symptoms, there's going to be psychological symptoms, and there's going to be symptoms on how the family treats and society treats with the three borders, people with your particular affliction. And so you want to do the research on symptoms, social stigmas, and apply it to, and imagine when you're reading this story, that Gregor Samsa suffers from mental illness, schizophrenia, addiction, AIDS, anything that can be applied to the outcome. Now, if you say something like cancer, I don't think they would hide him in his room. I don't think he would isolate in his room, or the borders would storm out if someone has cancer. Right? It seems to be so integrated, unfortunately, into our lives that there's no social stigma attached to it. So you want to make it easy for yourself, and go through the story and see, circle all the symptoms, all the instances that you can apply your illness, and there's plenty of examples in the text to prove that Gregor Samsa is suffering from an illness and or an addiction, which is an illness, and play that out. So let me know what you need, and okay, good luck. You're never bugging me. Get it? Bugging? And remember, if he was a bug, why do they recognize him as Gregor in the first place, right? So remember that.